As the #1 seller of video borescopes in North America, ViewTech is proud to offer the VJ3 far-focus joystick-controlled video borescope. Featuring an illumination output of 60,000 lux, the far-focus offers illumination 3 times brighter than the standard VJ3 6mm video borescope. The VJ3 far-focus video borescope has been designed to see clearly beyond the normally short focal distance of the standard industrial borescopes. The VJ3 far-focus video borescope is available with a diameter of 6 mm and insertion tube lengths of 1.5 or 3 meters. Featuring 4-way joystick-controlled articulation, image and video capture capability, and a rugged, fully portable design, the VJ3 helps thousands of companies save time and money on their inspection, repair, and quality control procedures. The best way to experience the VJ3 far-focus video borescope is with our free on-site demo program. Call to speak with one of our knowledgeable video borescope experts, and we will help you find the best borescope for your inspection needs. You will quickly realize why ViewTech Borescopes is the #1 seller of video borescopes in North America.